Now, let us go to the next question. We go to the second question.
At a loading dock, each worker on the night crew loaded 3x4 as many boxes as each worker on the day crew. If the night crew has 4x5 as many workers as the day crew, what fraction of all the boxes loaded by the two crews did the day crew load?
Great. Now, this is a very interesting question, right? Now, let us see how to solve this question together. Okay. The first thing that we do is we quickly draw a table, right? So, in the table, we got day and night, right? And then we got workers and boxes, right? And lastly, total. Okay. Now, if I say the total number of boxes loaded by each worker on the day crew are 4, then tell me how many boxes are loaded by each worker on the night crew?
3.
3, right? So, how did we get 3? 3 upon 4 into 4. That gives us 3, right? Wonderful. And then, if I say the total number of workers in the day crew are 5, then how many workers are there in the night crew?
4.
4, right? So, how did we get 4 here? 4 is nothing but, how did we get? 4/5 of 5 is equals to 4, right? Wonderful. Now, tell me, how many boxes are loaded by all the workers in the day crew?
20 boxes.
20 boxes, right? So, totally 20 boxes are loaded by all the 5 workers in the day crew. Wonderful. Similarly, how many boxes are loaded by the workers in the night crew?
12 boxes.
12 boxes, right? So, a total number of 4 workers loads 12 boxes because each worker loads around 3 boxes. So, 12 boxes are loaded by the night crew, right? And the total number of boxes loaded by the both day crew and night crew are 32, right? Now, what is the question is asking? The question is asking, out of the total number of boxes that are loaded, how many boxes are loaded by the day crew, right? What fraction of the total boxes loaded are loaded by the day crew? So, that's nothing but day upon total, right? So, day upon total is nothing but 20 upon 32, right? So, when we simplify this, we get 5 upon 8, right? So, 5/8 fraction of the total boxes were loaded by day, right? Is that clear?